What's going on, guys? As you can see, we've got this ultra rare Mark 3 Escort State 2-door. I'm pretty sure that's 100% what it is. You probably just saw the footage just before this. We're just doing a power run, but it did miss right at like the top there. So we're just investigating it now. Got Gordon here. He's just took he's just took out the coil leads, and they're absolutely soaking in oil. So this car, the owner was just telling me outside, recently had the egg gasket done, so I think whoever's put the rocker cover back on hasn't sealed the gasket up properly. Don't know if you can see with my torch here, it's absolutely, ow bastard, that is hot. Absolutely caked in oil. So we're gonna have the rocker cover off now and just clean it all out and seal it back up. But this is a super good looking car, especially for all you Ford lovers out there. It's definitely super nice looking. I think it's the, I don't know what they call the paint job, champagne colour something. I'm not a Ford man myself, so I'm not too knowledgeable. I'm sure one of you lot could probably correct me on that. It is the S1 body kit on it. Yeah, see, I am learning about the Fords. So yeah, we're just going to clean this all up now and get it all fixed up, and hopefully we'll do another run and it won't be missing. Right guys, that's all back together. We just sealed up the rocker cover as well. Cleaned it all out. So, see if it hits a limiter this time. Warm it back up. It's running a ME221 ECU. Still actually hitting a little bit of a limiter. It does seem a little higher this time, but so it did seem like it's still hitting the limiter a little then, yeah. Like some sort of limiter. What RPM was it doing it at this time? 5.6. Okay, so a little higher than last time, but the rev limiter on this car is still set at 6.5. So got to sort of investigate that. Right, so just on that last clip, it was still hitting some sort of limiter. We've probably spent realistically another hour on it since then, just trying to find the problem. We have in fact found the problem now. I'm going to let Gordon explain it to you. It's a bit of a funny one.
So basically the water temp sensor wiring wasn't taped at all. Well, it was at some point, it's come off. It's been touching, causing it to read very badly.
Yeah, so I've just taped this one, guys, but this one wasn't taped and it was just arcing on the other one, touching it.
So yeah, so the ECU was going into like minus so-and-so on the temp, so minus 10, minus 20, causing it to put pulse for the injectors more, causing it to hit the injector cut on the 100% of the duty. So
that was sort of like, yeah, so like a fuel enrichment and just basically the injectors, a bit too much for the injectors, and making a fail safe. Yeah. It makes sense. It makes sense. So we'll go. I'll finish taping this off now, and then we'll finish off with power run. Hopefully, it goes all the way through. Right. So final run of the day. Fingers crossed. Fix the issue. Obviously, just sort of tape them up. pull all the way to the limiter now. There's a nice little pull then, all the way to limiter, and just going through the gears just to make everything all right. No more miss at the top. Obviously that's cured the problem, just taping those terminals up. Something so simple, to be honest. Did take up quite a bit of the day, but I'm glad it's fixed. I think we've got a happy owner as well. This is just, I didn't know if I mentioned, it's a 2 litre Z-Tech on bike bodies. Really mint car. It's pretty rare as well, being a Mark 3 2-door. State, but yeah, no, that's all good, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to remember to comment, like and subscribe, and please do share.